This entitled squatter seriously tried to argue she couldn't appear in person because the courtroom's Wi-Fi and electronics would fry her body. Like, that was her real excuse with a straight face. Easily one of the most bizarre defenses I've ever heard in court. Judge Simpson was holding it together, but you could tell he was seconds away from losing it. She owes over $12,000 in rent and still acts like she's the victim. Honestly, people like this make a complete joke out of the system. Let me know, do you believe her, or should squatters like this get zero rights? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more court chaos coming your way. Rural environment, rural environment. Girl, are you serious? You're a squatter, not a luxury home buyer with a Pinterest board. She's out here acting like she's leaving a Yelp review for a place she's literally illegally living in. The entitlement is next level, and apparently so is her immune system, because now she's claiming she's constantly sick. Is that a cry for sympathy, or just the worst tenant review in courtroom history? Honestly, if she put half this energy into getting a job instead of gaming housing court, she'd be running HR at Hobby Lobby by now. And let's be real, using health issues as an excuse to dodge rent doesn't make you a victim. It makes you a live-action Monopoly chance card. So tell me in the comments, do you think she's genuinely sick? Or just allergic to accountability? still don't get how these squatters pull this off in plain sight. Like, she signed the lease, agreed to pay rent, then just decided it was optional. Now she's $12,000 in the hole and still walks into court with excuses like she's the victim? Here's the kicker. Once that lease is signed, even if the tenant stops paying, the landlord can't just toss them out. They have to go through this long, dragged-out eviction process that can take weeks or even months. And if the tenant knows how to game the system, filing bogus motions, claiming unlivable conditions, it's like they unlock a built-in delay mode. It's wild. The legal system basically hands them a stay-for-free card just because they had a pen and a pulse when they signed the lease. Tell me how that makes sense? Should someone like this really get to stay even one more day? Or should the judge have kicked her out weeks ago? Let me know in the comments. Can someone please explain to me if this Karen squatter is actually serious or just straight up lying? Because in all my time on this planet, I've never heard someone claim that cell towers and Wi-Fi are giving them real-time health issues. Like, ma'am, are you allergic to the internet now? This can't be real. Unless her immune system has Bluetooth. I'm calling full-on cap. What's next? The landlord's router gave her seasonal depression. Judges have to sit through this with a straight face. And honestly, they deserve hazard pay and an Emmy. It blows my mind how some people weaponize pseudoscience to dodge rent like they're auditioning for a Netflix docuseries. But hey, what do you guys think? Is she actually sick or just allergic to accountability? Drop it in the comments. I seriously think this squatter was lying. But even if she wasn't, she's still a leech. She owes that. Poor woman over $12,000 and hasn't paid a single dime. Personally, I think squatters like this deserve zero rights. But hey, I might be a little harsh. As for Judge Simpson, total pro. Calm, witty, and way more patient than I ever could be. People keep saying he's too harsh. But come on, being a judge means dealing with full-time excuse machines every day. Sometimes you've just got to hit him with a reality. Check in a suit. This case wasn't about fireworks. It was about discipline. And the fact that people can finesse rent laws this hard is honestly terrifying. If she's somehow telling the truth, somebody get her a tinfoil hat and a tent in the woods. But if she's not, she should be paying double. Let me know what you think in the comments. Was she capping or actually allergic to Wi-Fi? Smash that like button if you're into courtroom chaos like this, and hit subscribe because I post daily. Appreciate y'all for watching, and whatever you do, don't let Wi-Fi ruin your life like this.